Why is it leaking? Why are you leaking? So here recently, YouTube sent out an email to YouTubers, and now they're offering like direct collaborations with companies and products and stuff like that. And the crazy thing is that I was literally going to buy a new tire shine because this one is dying. This is the one I use. And I got an email for this one. I was like, you know what? It's a free product. I said, whatever. I hit it, clicked it. And it got here pretty quick. And I decided that I would use it before I made a video about it. And the crazy thing is I have a lot to say about it. Well, first off, it's leaking because like the handle in the spray bottle, I guess, if you press it, it's gonna leak. Like it's straight up leaking, which isn't good. But I did use it on the tire and the stuff is really good. The only thing that throws me off is that I've been, buying tire shines for like 20 years, something like that. And this smells just like the one that I used to use. It was like a purple one. It was like Black Magic or something like that. And this is Blue Magic, which is weird. So it was kind of crazy because like the other company was like one that you could find like in the auto parts store, but it smells just like it. Like you don't forget a smell, which is real trippy. Now, besides it leaking, which I'm not a fan of, like it's still leaking, I used it and it is pretty good. Now, a lot of people don't know that when you use tire shine, like you want like a sponge or like some type of foam sponge. Otherwise, you're really not gonna do anything. But we're gonna show you how it works and then, yeah. But here's the crazy thing. This is the first time I've seen this. The bottle came with this little piece inside here, inside it to prevent it from leaking, which was pretty cool because I've received a lot of items in the mail where the whole box is leaking. But when I removed this and installed this, it's still leaking. So definitely recommend the company do something with this little nozzle thing. And to be honest with you, like I've watched Obsessed Garage and Matt, like he has spent so much time finding like the perfect spray bottle. So I know there's a science to it. Of course, this is Armorall, humongous corporation. This is a smaller company, Renegade, I believe. Yeah, Renegade products. So this stuff does work, but it's leaking. I got this on this little, a plier thingy, and we're just gonna start putting it on. And again, it smells just like that stuff I used to use. Now, I can't say with certainty, but a lot of companies, they either buy out a company or they buy formulas or they do something. I'm not saying this is the case, but definitely smells like the stuff I've used before. All right. We're going to let that sit here for a few minutes and then show you what it's done. And here it is. We let it sit for a bit. And this stuff works. I mean, besides the leaky bottle and spray bottle thingy that you have to keep shut, this stuff really works. Again, my wife walked out the garage because I did the other side to test this product before I made a video about it. And she was like, whoa, those look good. So this stuff does work. And I definitely recommend it, especially, if it's easy to use and it makes the tire look good, it's doing its job. So hopefully they fix the spray bottle issue. But besides that, definitely a good product.